Hello students, welcome back to MKG Online Study and e-learning platform. Okay, but what if I told you your entire home network has one single point of failure, one box? If it dies, everything you own goes dark. No Wi-Fi, no phone, nothing. This is star topology, and it's low-key terrifying once you understand it. Star topology, one hub to rule them all. Let's go into it. Every device on your network, your laptop, your phone, your smart fridge, whatever, they are not friends. They don't talk to each other. They all report to one boss, the hub. You can see here. That's it. That's star topology. Everyone's on a leash and the leash goes to one place. Technically, every single device gets its own private cable straight to a central hub or switch. Nothing connects to anything else ever. So if your laptop wants to talk to your printer, it's not a direct line. It's laptop to hub to printer. Two hops every single line. In star topology, all the cables run from the computers to central location. You can see here where they all are connected to the main hub. This is called, the central device is called hub. All the computers are connected to this hub. Stars are used in concentrated networks where the endpoints are directly reachable from a central location. When network expansion is expected and when greater reliability of a star topology is needed. So here is the actual play-by-play. Step 1. Your device sends data to the hub, not straight to where it is going. Step 2. The hub catches it and checks who's it's actually for. Step 3, and this is the plot twist. A smart switch sends it to exactly one port, the correct port. Then step 4, that is your target device receives the frame. Round trip done in one hoop through the hub, one hoop through the boss. So this is how star topology works. Each computer on a star network communicates with a central hub that resends the message either to the directed computer in a broadcast star network or only to the destination computer in a switched star network. The hub we can expand also means a star network can be expanded by placing another hub. You can see we are having star 1, that is one central hub, next star 2 another hub, star 3 another hub, and finally we are having central hub. This central hub or switch connected all the three hubs, star 1, star 2 and star 3. So this arrangement allows several more computers or hubs to be connected to that hub. This creates a hybrid star network. So in the expansion of star topology, multiple hubs are connected to a central hubs. It is a combination of two or more star topologies connected through a central hub switch. This is how, this is the expansion of star topology. The hub in a broadcast star network can be active or passive. An active hub generates the electrical signal and send it to all the computers connected to it. This type of hub is usually called a multi-port repeater. Active hubs require external power supply. A passive hub is a wiring panel or punch-down block which acts as a connection point. It does not amplify or regenerate the signal. Passive hubs do not require electrical power supply. Several types of cables can be used to implement a star network. A hybrid hub can use different types of cables in the same star network. Characteristics of star LAN. So, first is every node has its own dedicated cable straight to the hub, zero shared links. The hub switch sits at the exact center of the network's physical layout, uses more cable than bus or ring, but each cable run is simple and independent. Performance stays high even under load. When using a switch instead of a basic hub, new devices plug straight into a free port. Expanding the network is almost instant. The entire network's uptime depends on that one central hub staying alive. Functions of the hub. Forward switch traffic receives every frame first, then send it on either broadcasting to all ports or routing to one exact port. Next is central connection point. Physically terminates every single cable in the network. It's the one thing every device is wired to. Third function is it regenerates a signal so your data doesn't get weak and sad over long cable runs. And the function 4, smart switches, can isolate a problem device without taking down anyone else. Basically, the hub isn't just a box, it's doing work. Problems in the star topology. Now let's talk about what actually goes wrong because it's not all good news. Problem number one, the big problem. If hub dies, the entire network dies. Instantly, everyone gone. Problem two, cost more to cable. As you are paying for way more cable than a bus or ring setup because every device needs its own run. Problem number three, your hub has a limited number of ports, so growth isn't free. You will need another one eventually. And problem number four, hub hardware isn't cheap. The hub itself is a real hardware, which means real money, and yes, it can also just fail. Advantages. Okay, but here is why this design still wins. One, installing or removing a device is stupid easy. Just plug or unplug one cable. One bad cable equals not equals to dead network as in ring topology. As in ring topology, if one single cable fails, the entire network drops down. So one bad cable does not take down your whole network. Only that one device drops. Third one is fault detection is instant. Finding the problem is instant because it's always isolated to one link. But don't forget the trade-off. Hub single point of failure. If the hub fails, the whole network dies. So this is the main major disadvantage of star topology. That's the whole risk of this design. You are paying more for cables than ring and bus topology than you could with other layouts. and your growth is literally capped by how many ports your hub has. This isn't just theory. By the way, you are using Star Topology literally right now. Your home Wi-Fi router, every phone and laptop connects straight to it. Classic Star, your office, every desk wires to a central switch. Same thing. And data centers, same concept. Just at a scale that would break your brain. Star topology basically born. It's the backbone of almost every network you have ever used. So next time your Wi-Fi dies and everyone in the house loses it, you will know exactly why. One hub, one point of failure, one bad day for everybody. If this actually makes sense for once, subscribe. I am going through every topology and trust me, the next one's even messier. So students, if you enjoyed this video, learn this video, the basic of star topology and the concept behind it, then do give thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and hit this bell icon. Subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Your support means a lot for me. See you in the next lecture.